Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter daily sales on QuickBooks Online. So first is head over to QuickBooks and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, at the top right corner of your screen, click on the settings icon, then click on all lists. And from here, click on product categories. Now from here, we're just going to add a new category, which is the daily sales category. And to do that, we're just going to click on create new category and we're going to name this daily sales. Then click on save. Head back to your dashboard and once again, click on the settings icon and now click on products and services. Now, from here, all you have to do is change the category for each product that is applicable for daily sales. Or you can also create a new one by clicking on the new button. Now, choose if it's service, non inventory item, then click on it. And from here, just click on the category drop down menu and choose daily sales. Then, once done, head over and click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!